Hello guys, this is Gaurav and you're watching Gaurav's Art and Craft World. Well, in my last video I have shown the clay work and now it's time for coloring. At first take a little bit Prussian blue and white, then mix them nicely and color his face, ears and neck. For shading, first I'm applying a little bit Prussian blue on the required places and then again applying burnt sienna in the same way. Now coloring the eyebrows with burnt sienna as well. After completing the shading part, take pink and color his lips. Now take crimson and color the snake. Now coloring all the Rudraksh with burnt sienna. Now take black and color his hair and other ornaments as well. Let me tell you one thing, that for this painting I'm using acrylic paints, but you can also use oil paints. Now take a dry brush and by using that dry brush, take some burnt sienna and highlight his hair. Now take white and color the rest of the clay parts. After coloring the whole clay works, now it's time to color the background. For background, take ultramarine blue and white, mix them nicely and color the whole background first. Now take white and color the canvas in this way only beside his head. Now I'm applying a combination of crimson, white and lemon yellow only on the border part of the canvas to make it more beautiful. After completing the background, I'm going to highlight my clay art with some metallic touch. At first, take a little bit metallic silver by using a sponge and start tapping it in this way. Now take some metallic copper and highlight the Rudraksh by the same tapping technique. Now, for the last finishing, take metallic gold and highlight the rest of the clay parts and let it dry. So guys, our Lord Shiva clay mural painting has completed and this is how it looks. Guys, keep watching my videos. Thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe.